Hello guys, welcome back to today's stream, and today's stream is going to be fantastic because we are going to do a bunch of stuff. We will be, of course, building on our rickshaw game, and then we will also be playing a few games. I've received a few requests on my email ID to try out a couple of games, so I will be doing that at the end of the stream. And before we begin, I have an announcement to make. Now, as you guys are aware, we are actually working on a couple of indie games, and we are also supporting a few indie games as publishers. And just today, about 1 hour ago, we announced our second game that we are publishing. As you can already see on my uh, monitor over here, I have that game open in front of me. So let me. No voice. There is no voice. Is there no voice? I can see the voice. I can see voices there in the OBS levels. Check if you are on. Check if your settings is muted or something. But I hope I'm audible. And it is an Indian game. It is currently under development. It's a game called My Bookshop Dreams. So let me actually share my screen. I've updated the link of this game in the description. So what I want you all to do is please a small request. Please go ahead and wishlist this game. And guys, so the flow of today's live stream is going to be first we will be continuing the development on our rickshaw game, and then towards the end of it, I'm gonna see a few games, react to a few games, as well as play a few games. Okay, so without any further ado, let us go. And I will just say hello to everyone first. Okay, that's usually my usual flow. So let me say hello to everyone. So Shlokansh, hello. Yash Katre, hello. Debashish Kar, hello. Rahat Fatama, always love you too, brother. And the Japanese name I forgot. I forgot. I think it was fashion. I think it was something fashion. Hello. Dynamite Gaming 5.0, hello. SB Star, hello. Jai Jagannath. Vaishnav Gude, hello. Rahat Fatama again, hello. Amay, the Assassin Avenger, hello. Rahul Bhatt, hello to every single person who has joined in, Navya Sipani included. ब्लेड जी को नहीं भूले, ब्लेड जी हेलो, ब्लेड जी, जो केजे स्टाइल्स, शुभदीप, डॉक्टर ड्रैगन, एवरी सिंगल वन हेलो. निखिल भाई मुंबई गलीज खेल के दिखाओ, मजा आएगा. मुंबई गलीज खेल के दिखाएंगे, इवन मैं खेलना चाहता हूँ, बट यार I don't want to do that right now till the point of time it is polished. Voice is low. So voice is low. I will try to yell at the screen and try to make myself audible. Actually, guys, I'm also in the middle of uh, you know setting up a proper studio. So once that is done, then I will be streaming from there. I'm watching this while developing a game. Fantastic. Kush Singh Thakur, hello. Kush Singh Thakur, I will be showing your game. I know I have, I remember that you've sent it to me on WhatsApp, and I will react to it towards the end of the stream. But now, without any further ado, guys, let us continue. Let us continue while we are building our game Chalti Ka Naam Rickshaw, which was the tentative working title. But now, what we are going to do is we are going to call it as Rickshaw Rampage because it just makes more sense, as the rickshaw is literally doing rampage on the streets of whatever fictional city that we are building it in. Do you know an Indian game is making a samurai open world game? No, I didn't know about that. That's pretty cool. I've I think Samurai Jack was one of the game that I really liked, and I can, of course there might be a few games built, samurai games built, but I'm not quite aware of them. Yash Game 773, hello. So guys, Yash Game 773 is over here. He's the developer of Anant Express. I had reacted to his game on my YouTube channel. It's a fantastic game. If you haven't played it yet, you definitely should, and you definitely should buy the game and play. Please do not pirate it. Am I talking about Mukti? Mukti, yeah, I covered Mukti yesterday. I put out a short on Mukti yesterday. So, like, on my channel, you will find me supporting all the new indie titles. Like, you will not usually see me playing your already popular games out there. So I'm more about supporting the indies. So, guys, Anant Express is this game, which is based in an Indian train environment. I'm gonna quickly share my screen so you can see this over here as well. So I'm gonna copy this link for you all to check out Anant Express as well. I loved this game. I played this game and I had also streamed this. As you can see, I have about zero point 0.8 hours on record. I reviewed it on 7th of August and I had played this game that day as well. It's available for 200 rupees. Please do check it out and download this game. Yeah. Okay. Now there is one person who says Anant Express is a game sound center. Yeah, it is a fantastic game, Shifu. I also played Anant Express. That's great. Okay, guys, so let's continue where we left off yesterday. As you can see, we have our rickshaw in front of us, and this is the functionality that we built. Okay, and if we ram into any vehicle, it kind of just puts it into a little bit of a vibration. And you ignored my comment thrice. My goodness, I didn't ignore your comment, buddy. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I'm sorry. I mean, sometimes like it happens. Yeah, it happens that I'm streaming and some comments I forget to read. But honestly, there is no intention from my side to ignore you guys. Please don't say that. I feel very bad. Anyway, guys, how are you? Why is the rickshaw in the wrong lane? Because it is Rickshaw Rampage. It makes no sense. It makes no sense. Hassan PC, hello, hello, hello. Thank you so much. Thanks for joining from Pakistan. Nikhil sir, what are your views on Mukti? I'm very excited for the game. I'm genuinely very excited for Mukti to come out. And I'll tell you a story. Mukti's development actually began in parallel with our development. In fact, Mukti's development actually began way before us, actually. Uh, and it's great to see the game being so polished right now. How is camera shaking? Can you share the code? I'm Unity dev here. So Hassan, what I did was also don't work on a turn signals. They don't use it either way. That's true. Shibu, comment ignored 4 times. I'm trying to create an Undertaker WrestleMania streak of ignoring my comment. I'm not Subhadeep. I just read your comment. Okay. Will you play Discounty? Uh, maybe. Actually, I'm gonna like try and focus on finishing this game. Yash Games, thank you so much, buddy. So we can assume that Mukti will be the first AAA title from India. Yeah, this AAA, like I think one of the people who is responsible for this AAA wave, like the origin source, is probably me because like we put out a trailer of Mumbai release and we were trying to proclaim the or trying to self-proclaim the title of a AAA game. But I think as of now, it's safe to assume that we are still a long way to go from a AAA title because inherently a AAA title requires a massive budget, which as of this moment, not a lot of people have access to. And now that real money games are banned, maybe we can get access to that kind of budget, but who knows? Who knows? Who knows? Okay. Please play Demon Slayer, the Hinokami Chronicles Part 1 and 2. I will try, Amay. I will try. I know you love that game, but unfortunately, right? I'm just so packed, guys. Like, I just don't get any personal time. In fact, if you guys are members of my channel, you'll see my daily routines now. I've been starting to post my vlogs every single day. Yesterday's vlog also went up, and now tonight also I'm gonna post another vlog. I've recorded the entire day, so that vlog is almost ready. And now let me actually record an outro from this live stream. So guys, this is me going live now. Actually, I'm already live with building this rickshaw simulator game, and you can see over here all the people have joined in, right? And this is my camera. I'm talking to them. I'm building this game, and that would be it. This is it's about 11:11 p.m. So make a wish quickly, guys. Make a wish, guys. Make a wish. It's 11:11 p.m. And that's it for today's day. Tomorrow I'll be recording some more footage and I'll keep you posted about my tomorrow's day. So that's it for this video today. Tata, bye bye. Okay, that was not Tata bye bye for you guys though, guys, because I've just started to stream, and we are going to. Okay, so let's do one thing. Let's try to find. We've created this Rampage system, and it has given us a couple of options. One is Rampage prefab, and second is Rampage sound. So let's try to find 2311. 2311, guys, you're following like 24-hour clock. I don't follow 24-hour clock. My clock runs on 12-hour clock system. 2311. Okay, anyway, explosion, royalty free sound effects. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Pixabay. Pixabay has some good sounds. Let's see. I need explosion. It's gonna be like a Bollywood action. Okay, this is too much. Okay, nah. Nuclear explosion. Nah, 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 nah. No, 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 no. You need metal collision noises. Yeah, nah. I think this is fine. I think this is fine. I guess so. Let me create a sounds folder. Okay, and let's put this inside our folder. Mumbai Best Bus Simulator Game Bano Bhava. Miniature maker for sure, yeah, definitely. Also needs a horn effect with the impact noise. Hey, we can add a horn. We can add a rickshaw horn for sure. Okay, for now, let me just put this effect over here. Okay, and let's see how this feels. Wait, I think I have, yeah. Whoa! Okay. There is an error that's throwing with the rigid body thingy. I think it's because we are accessing the. You do so much your sleeping schedule then. I sleep well as well. You know, for the people who are going to watch my vlogs, they know that I also balance my sleep pretty well. I make it a point that I catch up on my sleep sometime. Like if I'm working too much, I'll make it a point to sleep for some time in the evening. Okay, once I'm done with all my work, and because I'm like constantly working. You know, the moment I wake up, I'm working. I'm working on my projects. I'm working on doing some meetings. I'm working on recording videos, maybe editing videos. Because right now I'm editing my videos myself, right? So that's the issue. Make the rickshaw lose its parts when it's bumped into other vehicles. Wait, there is also the rampage effect, special effects, right? So let's see if we are able to get some nice special effects. Explosion effects. I did have a cartoon effects library, comic explosion effects. Okay, we can maybe use this. Okay, okay. So I think I can. Uh, okay, so I'm gonna add this to my assets. All right. So let's put this in our assets right now. Except EULA and yeah, so this is added to our assets. Let's see if we can add this now to our Unity project via the package manager. uh, my assets. Let's go. My assets. What assets do I have? We have just downloaded this cartoon. explosion assets, and I think I also had, okay, I've got a bunch of assets, right? So let's just try and see how this works. Import 1.02 project. Hey, how is Comet browser? What are your thoughts? Billa Mama, I haven't used Comet browser much because I was just too comfortable with my Chrome, and it required me to re-log in into everything, so I just decided to not continue. Nikhil, why don't we guys file a petition for rating system of video games in India? We guys can do this. That's my vision. Indian Council for Gaming Certification. What do you say about this? I think that's a good idea. Bro just translated my name in Japanese. Amay, that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. But Bladesy, that's a very good idea. I think that definitely needs to be a council to rate games based on age criteria. I think let's think about this. I mean, I can put my thoughts to this and let's see what can be done. So there are a few effects over here. Battle effect, explosion. Okay, I think I can do with this explosion one. Bam. Let's see what happens with this explosion one. Alright, so now we also have some special effects in our game. Bam. Whoa, it looks so good. Look at this. It's actually quite satisfying. I'm trying to see if I can, get two or three to interact with each other. Whoa, look at that, look at that. Oh, that car started driving just like that. Okay, what do you guys think? How is this effect? Also, I think there needs to be an effect when the rickshaw takes a turn as well. So I think we need to add that too. I did use cursor previously, but I think right now maybe I could just, you know, refer to the small exclusion type code and we can just trigger that, kind of like that. So where's that audio clip rampage sound? Let's go to audio clip. Okay, let me actually now create an audio variable. It's taken it as a private. Okay, we can do private. I don't mind. Sound effect audio clip, rickshaw turn, or rather I'll keep it as vehicle turn. Okay, and we'll take this code block, find all references, and I'm just going to say play sound effect. I'm gonna sound effect for rickshaw turning. Alright, and is switching lanes. And input move right, move left, move right, start cartoon effect. So okay, start cartoon effect. This can also uh, okay, wait, no, this was start cartoon effect for that. Sometimes I feel bad for spamming in the chat, but kya karu, dukh hai itna. It's okay. Why don't you make games in URP and not HDRP? I'm actually not doing in any of them. I'm using built-in render pipeline. Can I get a job using Blueprint? You absolutely can. Yeah, there are quite a bunch of studios who hire for Blueprint. And guys, now this is a problem, right? I mean, of course, I can make this happen. The only issue is that I need to read the code that has been written. Anyway, so I'm gonna say private void play turn sound. Okay, I'm making this function audio source. It's also taking the audio source. So never mind. We'll need to define the audio source as well. Not an issue. And then once that's done, I need to take the audio source as well. then vehicle turn. Vehicle turn. Okay. Now we need another sound effect, which is our owl. Why did I say owl? Which is our just a second, guys. Which is our turning effect. So turn or wheels screech. I think that's what we are looking at. Screech. No, 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 no. Or wheels turn. Now I'm not getting that sound effect. No, 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 no. Tires. Hey, Amay, thank you so much for 89 rupees super chat. And this is actually your fifth super chat on this on any of my live streams. So congratulations on that, Amay. Amay, thank you so much. And guys, I just also want to say that if you are interested in taking a sneak peek into my life, what is my schedule like? I'm actually putting out vlogs on a regular basis. Today's vlog is also ready. I will be editing that out and putting it out tonight itself. So you can check it out. And what effect do we have? We do have tire screeching. Nissan Maxima handbrake turn. What? Okay, wait. No, no. Cat screech. No. This is so. Wait. Okay, I think this is fine. This is fine. We need to copy this as a license. Let's put this up as a license text over here. Let me actually put this up. Add Zubhan Kesari in MG. Lol. Okay, I'm gonna create a folder for licenses for all the assets that we are using. Show in Explorer, text file, simple text file should be enough. Okay, let's write this down. Sound effect by this, and there was one more that we had downloaded, which was from here, I guess. Small explosion. I think it was this, right? Small explosion. No, it wasn't this. It was a different sound explosion. Ah, God. Oh yeah, it was this one. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay. Let me write this down here too, so that it's handy for us. Did you check out the email? I received a bunch of emails. I think I did check out your email. You know what, guys? Like ever since I've started to do these live streams, it's becoming very interesting for me because like suddenly like you guys are again reaching out to me, wanting me to cover your games, and it feels so good. I was sincerely missing this entire feeling, and I can't tell you how grateful I am that I can get to be back now. So that feels nice. Okay. Sounds. I'm very interested in game building, but due to my boards and need preparation, I can be able to manage it. So how and where I will be able to learn game building. So Ayush, don't really worry. Making games is not that complicated. You just need to allocate some bit of time. It doesn't matter if you can make games. Like you have ample amount of time. Don't worry. You have so much time. Do not worry at all. Let's see now how this works. Okay. Oh, I forgot to play sound in my this thing. So here we need to is switching lanes, play turn sound. here as well. I don't want to use cursor much now because I think we've pretty much established the core basic flow. And if at all I need to use cursor, I will use it for like complicated stuff that I don't really want to spend much time on. But I think for now it's fine. Oh, oh no. What the? What? What have we built? What did we build, guys? What did we build? I have no idea. Okay, so Urdi Rickshaw game name. Okay, so guys, someone suggested that we should create like a golden rupee icon. I like that. निखिल भाई वो आपके Unreal Engine के कोर्स का क्या हुआ अब वो मुझे मिल नहीं रही so Shreyash I did not continue the Unreal Engine course in fact I also gave a refund to the students who had opted in because I was not able to allocate time to finish that course so that course is not there right now on my website but if you are interested in learning Unreal Engine, you can go to Spawn School's website and you can check out this course wherein they will teach you how to make games in Unreal Engine. And this will be conducted by an industry professional who is a Unreal certified game developer. So you can learn from here. And if you are interested in learning about game development with me, I am taking this program called Game Development Accelerator. Abrar, hello Abrar, how are you? So you can check this out. But anyway, now, okay, what should we do next? What should we build next in here? Okay, yeah. I had got an idea that let's create some collectible coins. How about making a retro game? We will do everything. What is your PC specs? My PC specs are DX Diag. You can see this. I have an RTX graphic card, about 16 GB RAM, Windows 11 of course, RTX 4070, and yeah, this is my specs. All right, all right. You can learn almost everything about Unreal on YouTube. Yeah, you can. You absolutely can. Ayush, but the issue is the reason why people enroll themselves into courses is that they get disciplined, you know, because like, see, at the end of the day, everything you learn in school is also available on the internet. There's nothing fancy or new that they teach anyway. But why do you go to school? You go to school because you get that discipline. You get that network of people you to interact with. You get someone to ask your doubts to, right? That's the point of courses. Now, I don't know how 2D games with 3D assets like Silk Song are made. It's actually quite simple. It's all about perspectives. It's about playing with perspectives. How do you, adjust your camera? Like for example, this game right now, it looks like this because our camera is in perspective mode. But like, I can quickly change the way that this game looks by just switching it to orthographic. Look at this. It is still a 3D game, but it completely changed the view. View has completely changed. See, the model is still 3D, but the game's look and feel has completely changed. See, I don't like how the game is looking in this mode though, but so I'll just keep it at perspective, and we can play around with bunch of stuff, right? We can play around with the field of view. We can make it like this, something like this. You can do like that. What what was that? Oh, this perspective looks actually cool. So it is a bit skewed. Okay, sorry. At this time, I'm just having a lot of fun. Try to add motion blur and screen shake effect. Screen shake effect is already happening. Do you guys like this perspective? I think I like this perspective. If you want to develop this game now in Unreal Engine with the same progress, how will you do this? Well, with Unreal Engine, I will have to like configure a couple of stuff. I will have to rely on Chaos Engine for the vehicles because that's their physics engine that handles all of that stuff, and it will be like the core process or the thought process behind making a game like this will be pretty much the same, but I will have to like you know either use C++ or blueprints for that. Add trucks and bikes. Let's see if we have trucks and bikes. There are cars over here. So what do we have over here? Let's see. So there are trucks over here. I can see there are trucks. Bikes, I don't think there are there, but there are tractors too. Tractors and police tractor also for some reason. So let's yeah, okay, let's try and bring some of these vehicle types. So SUV, and the way that we had configured this was we added yeah, so we have to take the prefabs over here, and I can take like AI traffic car, which is over here. AI traffic car, uh, and what else? There was a box collider and a rigid body. Uh, then I just had to copy paste the colliders component values, copy component, and paste the collision values over here so that it looks like this. And yeah, our car is pretty much ready, and I just also need to add a tag as traffic car, and this is ready. So SUV done. Okay, and you guys wanted a truck, right? So I'm going to take a truck, but for truck we will have to adjust the collider slightly bigger. So let's go FBX. What trucks do we have? How about background music? Yeah, we can add background music as well. Um, but the issue with background music and on stream is that I will need to, I, you know, actually I have an idea. I have an idea. Let's see Suno AI. So we can AI generate the music, because I think we will definitely need an original soundtrack for this. So let's make an AI generated music track. Okay, so let me. Okay, all right. Okay, so I'm gonna generate music for this using AI called Suno Music. So guys, let's do one thing. Can you help me write a prompt for Suno Music that will help us create this music? And I have 50 credits, so I'm on a free plan right now. For commercial use, we need to buy premium. That's okay. I think more from Suno about. Let's see. Let's read their terms. Make a song. Wait now. I think I think I can use this, and we will switch to the premium plan when we try to Bollywood funky classic traditional music. So uh, make a music for a rickshaw driving game, just theme track with no vocals. Uh, Bollywood funky classic and traditional mix. Uh, let's see what this comes up with. Create. And of course, it takes a little bit of time. Indian classical rock. So I think we do have traditional Bollywood funky classic. Couldn't generate that. Prompt likely malfunctioned. What? What just happened? Okay. No. Trends. Nah, 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 nah. Okay. I think let's just. I think Suno is not Sunoing us. But anyway, okay. Indian retro style Bollywood like theme music. Let's see if this works. Okay, it did start to generate. Let's see who this is. Suno किसी के बाप की नहीं सुनता. Golden Knights. Let's see how this theme track will turn out to be. So Beethoven use कर लो. Beethoven, is it good? Okay, it has generated this. Let's listen to this. Oh, it created this theme. Yeah, I didn't want. Okay, you know what? Never mind. Let's just give it a listen.
Moonlight spills on the empty street. The wind hums an old love beat, echoes of a time that won't repeat. Golden nights, golden dreams, flicker like a movie scene. Golden nights,
Copyright लगा देगा. Copyright लगा देगा. Oh damn. Wait. So what should I do to avoid that copyright? Uh, Share. I think I can use this. I guess. I don't know. I don't know. NCS के गाने use कर लो. Okay, let's try to find non-copyright music. Okay. Non NCS music. Hmm. No copyright sounds. Okay. Let's try to find some no copyright sound music. Lucy, which was. Hey, wow. Okay. This seems promising.
it's like clockwork, how it always ends by my time.
Nah, I don't need any vocals. Hey Dark, hi Vatsal, how are you? What if in game some people are saying like अभी कैसे चला रहा है, something like this? Will you react on my live teaser of my game? Yeah, definitely, yeah, definitely. Manthan Mehta, hello, hello, hello. Go in popular. Okay, let's go in popular. What is this? Joyful. Yeah, I like this. I like this. I like this. I like this. Okay, we're gonna see this. We're gonna use this. Okay. No copyright sounds. Download and use this track. Okay, Boogie. Boogie by Joyful. Downloading track. And we will also update the music link over here in chat. Music used in game. Right. Level Boogie. Okay. Alright, I've done this. I love this. It's kind of joyful and funky. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yes, 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 yes. Okay. So let's go and take this up in our Unity. Sounds joyful. Done. And let's put this up over here. And let's see what happens. 3D sound? No, we need a 2D sound. Yeah. Let's see. Sound को low करो. Okay, wait. I actually purposely did that, but it is like, guys, it is like perfectly syncing with the game, right? It is bang on. Now I think what needs to balance this out is a perfect honking sound for the rickshaw. So let's try it. Okay, I have turned the sound a little lower so that it doesn't you know irritate your ears. Let me know if this sound level is perfect. Okay, you know what, guys? What this too low? Too low. Is this sound too low? What games you liked in indie game Utsav? Well, so many games. I think I liked all of the games. I loved all the games. Now build a footpath with wildcard entry of, oh my god, Salman bhai. थोड़ा हाई करो. Okay, wait. I बाप की बाप की सड़क है क्या? Okay, wait. And I think you know what? I need to change the cartoon effects prefab that we're using, because the text BAM needs to be a little bit above. That's what I was thinking. Let's see. Because the text BAM was actually getting hidden. No, a little bit more up. Let's see. Yeah, perfect. Oh, I completely forgot I had to. My name means to blossom. Okay. I forgot I had to get the trucks and all done. Anyway, so okay, coming back, let's add more traffic system. Sedan sports, taxi is done. SUV will add. We also need a truck to add. Delivery truck. Okay, this is there. Hey, wait. We forgot to change the scale of our this thing. Rigid body, box collider, paste component values. But I think we'll need a little bit bigger collider for this. 1.5 maybe at 1 or 0.75. Okay, and maybe, yeah, 1.25 like this, and 3 like this. Okay, I think this truck should be fine. And AI traffic car. Clearly a default. Okay, never mind. Delivery truck. Drag and drop this into prefab. And our SUV we need to change to 1.5, 1.5, 1.5. Traffic spawner truck prefab. So we can. It's nice that it has like a truck different layer as well. Let's see how this works. पावर यार मुंबई गलीज पे यार a lot of people think यार मुंबई गलीज पे there is, here's the thing, I don't have the expertise to work on Mumbai gillies. Let me be very honest. I've told you guys, I've been very transparent and upfront about this. I don't have the expertise to work on Mumbai gillies. It's a massive project. I can't work on it alone. and we've given it a shot with trying it. That's the reason why we are working with an external team. So uska kaam ho raha hai, आप टेंशन मत लो भाई. Do you have any Discord server, Manthan? Yes, link is in the chat. Oh, we forgot to give the tag to this untag traffic car. I'm looking forward to see how it will perform on the truck. Whoa. I think this SUV is continuously falling down. We need to optimize this for this. Add the tire screech effect on the road. Yeah, Kush, I will do that. But I guess, guys, we can be done for this. Please make Mumbai release free. The hype and expectations are insane. Manthan, यार हमको पैसे भी कमाने हैं. We have literally spent so much money on that game. We have to recover our cost. So for free, why? It's a business at the end of the day. As long as unfortunate as it may sound, making games is a business. So we have to do business to earn money. But anyway, guys, so that is it for today's development stream. But stream is not ended yet. There was a request from a few folks to react to their content. So Kush Singh Thakur had asked me to react to his trailer of The Torment, and there was a request to actually play a game as well. So let's first watch the trailer of Torment. Uh, the Torment official trailer. Okay, so guys, we are just reacting to a couple of games. Can you make the rickshaw dragging sound smooth? I find it annoying when lane switching. Yeah, definitely. I mean, we can change the audio. I mean, even I don't like that audio much. But anyway, okay, guys. So this is the Torment official trailer 2025. Okay, let's play this, and it is just recently uploaded. It's about 3 hours ago. Okay, I'm going to leave this link in chat. Manthan, thank you so much, Manthan. Nitrex Boy, you can see his game. Okay, Nitrex Boy. Let's check that too. Nitrex Boy. What's that game name? Oh, the open world samurai game. Okay, okay, I will check that out too. Okay, but before that, let's go ahead. The Torment official trailer 2025.
This man is doing good. He's fighting monsters of his fears. I think this one will be a good product. Subject 7400.
Wait, what is written over here? Subject 7487 exhibits severe mental instability marked by reoccurring hallucinations, paranoia, and fragmented memory patterns. Patient demonstrates unpredictable emotional responses ranging from extreme aggression to complete dissociation.
89.
Okay.
Be a success and give an end to this.
What eye is that? Enter the nightmares, which never existed. Okay. Find the truths and the past. Dark phases, which you can't escape.
If these monsters keep coming, it's gonna be difficult for us.
Of horror plus action. phase 6, it gets more darker. Okay. Is it just me or is the quality not okay? Yeah, it was. I didn't run it in highest quality, I guess. A game by Kush Singh Thakur. So this is the tournament, guys. Go ahead, check it out on YouTube. I have shared the link with you all. My thoughts. I think the trailer needs to be a little bit more like it needs to have that wow factor. I think it's kind of missing that right now. But I wish you all the best, Kush. I'm pretty sure and confident that you'll pull through and you can improve this. And all the best to you. I will subscribe to your channel. You currently have only 2 subscribers, so guys, go ahead and subscribe to Krelix YouTube channel, and let's hope he improves the trailer further ahead. So all the best to you, Krelix, and Kush Singh Thakur, his name is. And with that, let's go on to the next reaction, which is by Nitrex Boys, made an open world samurai game in Hindi. He posted about it 6 days ago. He seems like a popular YouTuber with 32,000 subscribers. So let's go.
पिछले कुछ सालों में काफ़ी सारे ऐसे गेम्स देखे हैं जिनके कॉम्बैट सच में काफ़ी अच्छे फील होते हैं. लाइक एग्जांपल के तौर पर गॉड ऑफ वॉर, एल्डन रिंग. प्रोजेक्ट का नाम हम रखने वाले हैं घोस्ट ऑफ इंडिया. जैसा कि तुम देख
Okay, so he's making this game in Unreal
सकते हो,
Engine.
हमारा कैरेक्टर डिफ़ॉल्ट मैनिकैन से रियल टाइम में कॉपी कर रहा है. वो भी हर एक एनिमेशन मिल रहा है. तो होगा कि ने क्लिप्स लगा दिए हैं.
Okay, let's just skip to the gameplay part. Wow, it looks fantastic. It's just a prototype. Yeah, I'm watching at the end only. It looks so nice. Wow. Pretty cool. Oh, did he fast? Is he fast forwarding? Okay. Kush Singh Thakur, thank you so much for 40 rupees super chat, Kush. And most welcome, and all the very best to you for your game. Hey, wow. I'm actually looking forward to this game. I would love to play this game. So guys, this is the game by Nitrex Boy, and he mentioned that he's calling it Ghost of India, and wishing him all the best. The game looks fantastic. I think the mechanics of the game are also looking pretty good. He's documented his entire journey of development of this game. So I wish him all the very best, and guys, go ahead, check this game out and support him in whatever way you possibly can. I don't think the game, okay, he's put out some horror game or so. But anyway guys, so that was it for the 2 reactions today, and I did receive an email from a request for one more game called Yatra Bandhan. Okay, so I'm gonna download that now. Let's download Yatra Bandhan. The developer reached out to me before the stream, and he said that it's gonna take me about 20 to 40 minutes. So let's see if we can wrap this up quickly, because I do have to end this stream max by 12:15. I do have a long day ahead tomorrow. I've got a meeting in the morning, and then I've got an event to attend in the afternoon, so I do have to manage my time efficiently that way. And then I also have to do some content creation after this stream, so no rest. And yeah guys, this is my bookshop dreams, by the way. Oh, I can react to this itself, right? Okay guys, so before we move to the next game, let's react to this game that we are now helping with publishing. Okay, it's called My Bookshop Dreams. Okay, you can check this out over here, and I'm gonna play a quick glimpse of the game's video footage as well. So you can see over here, this is My Bookshop Dreams. It's a cozy little bookshop game wherein you can create your own bookshop, arrange library elements. It falls under the cozy category. And this is a small 3-minute gameplay trailer, so this is actual gameplay. It's a fun, cozy little game, and you'll have a lot of fun playing this game. It's called My Bookshop Dreams. Earlier it was named as My Cozy Bookshop, but now they've changed the name, and we are helping with the publishing of this game. So yeah, do check out this game, guys. Do check out this game. We are helping them out with the publishing side of this game. Do wishlist this game as well and spread the word like wildfire. Please, 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 please. Okay, alright. So I will let you guys check it out on Steam. Instead of dragging sound, can you add making sound like Mario player will focus on some. Yeah, sure, Dark Demon, I can do that for sure. But guys, please go ahead and check out this game, alright? And I hope you like this. Go ahead. Please, please, please wishlist on Steam. Okay, now what else? Yatra Bandhan. Okay, I had received a request to play this game. Sorry. God bless me. Will there be IGDC this year? Yeah, IGDC is happening very much. Will there be gaming con? Someone asked. Yeah, I think gaming con is also going to happen. IGDC is going to happen in the month of November, by the way. Have you watched Threat Interactive channel? He makes videos on optimization. I have checked out that channel. Not that I can remember of, but I did come across that. Nikhil shook down the whole earth. Why? Oh, through my sneezing. Anyway. Okay, so Splint Perfect Studios making this game. Game designer of, okay, let me just pull this over here. So game designer is Rahul Bhatt, Amay Kolhatkar, and game developer is Rahul Bhatt. Settings button doesn't work. Okay, never mind. It's a game under development. Okay. In the year 1863, deep within a remote village, a mysterious woman was rumored to be practicing black magic. My goodness, why do I get like horror games at night? When her secret was finally exposed, the villagers, driven by fear and superstitions, villagers decided to kill her and put an end to the dark energy she was believed to be summoning. But she was prepared. How was she prepared? Before the villagers could act, she mysteriously disappeared. Years passed by, the land now thought cursed was eventually sold, and bungalow was built right there where the old woman's dwelling once stood. This is the villa. As time passed by, the property changed hands, with each new owner unaware of the dark legacy buried beneath. Okay, then now it's just like this thing. In present day, late 1970s, the current bungalow owner living abroad began receiving repeated complaints from tenants. Oh, okay. Okay, it has like that retro effect. But I think the environment is still under development. Let's see what is in offer. We have entered the house. My god, explore the house. I'm very scared of playing this game. You can switch on lights using the switchboard. Use switch. Okay. I'm literally like, I'm getting goosebumps, guys. Like, I don't know if you can see this, but I'm getting goosebumps because I'm I'm super scared. First of all, I don't play horror games. The only horror game that I've completely completed is Kamla, and then I played Anant Express, but even there I was scared. What is this over here? Storeroom key, okay. Explore the house. Basement door. This is locked. Store room. Crowbar. Picked crowbar. How do I? I'm literally still getting goosebumps. GTA San Andreas graphics. I mean, the developer has purposely gone for this type of graphics. Why is this like this? Other Dalo Nikhil, you'll be experiencing a whole universe of mine soon. You're also creating a horror game. What is this? I was sitting on the couch watching TV when I heard some noise coming from over the balcony. I looked at the clock and it was 11 p.m. and got up to check where the faint sound was coming from. I noticed the washing machine was running weird. I thought, I don't think I started it. Certainly not at this hour, but I pulled the plug and went back to enjoy my show. However, this was not the only odd occurrence I had experiencing being in this house. Even during the day, the windows casted eerie shadows onto the narrowly dimly lit windows. Very weird events are happening, especially at night, where I hear a woman crying faintly. I checked every corner of the house and I did not find the source of the sounds. Shyam Lal. Okay, what is this? Okay, I don't know. I don't know. Indian developers should make 2D games like Hollow Knight for mobile. Can be made. Needs button. I don't know, guys. I don't know. I'm just okay. Shankar Bhagwan ki jai. Please, God save me. Please, please, God save me. I I don't want to play this game. I don't want to play this game, and not because the game is not entertaining, but because it's scary. It's scary. Please try Torment in the next stream. You'll be scared while playing that. Why? Why do you guys want me to try out all the horror games? I've told you guys I don't like horror games. Toilet. This is a big toilet. I'm gonna be shitting my pants over here for sure. I'm gonna be shitting my pants over here. Rahul, I'm sorry, but I don't want to play your game, man. It's because I don't like to be scared, especially at night. What is the bathroom is closed to? Why? Wait, wait. Where is the clock? Where is the clock? Can I start the TV? I can't start the TV. This looks like an eerie eye. What? I'm scared for no reason. I'm scared for no reason. Okay. I don't want to explore the house, guys. No, I don't. I think I don't. I don't think I can do this. I don't think I can do this. Not tonight. Wow. 1 second. I'm genuinely scared with all the sounds and all. Ah, God. Okay. Wait 1 second. Where is the? I need to contact the developer and tell him I'm super scared to play your game. Okay, I've actually WhatsApped him and I've said that I'm super scared to continue playing your game. Okay, look at this. And he's replying, I saw. So I'm gonna. Okay, I tried the game. Okay, in my defense, I tried the game, but I don't think I want to continue for the night. But guys, Yantra Bandhan is the name of the game. Okay, you saw it first over here, and he's given me and he's written an email to me. You play as a paranormal investigator tasked with exploring a mysterious bungalow. The owner, who lives abroad, has been receiving constant complaints. No tenant manages to stay longer than 2 to 3 days. Unable to visit himself, he has called you to investigate the unsettling occurrences inside the bungalow. Maybe once I will try to play it later on. But anyway, guys, I tried it, okay? I tried it, but please, maaf kar do, please. So, guys, now uh, I'll just quickly show you what we've built in the Rickshaw game so far. We added a sound effect, we added new cars, we added visual effects, and we are trying to improve further. Okay, so this is what we built. Okay, and Foxy Plays. Hello. Thank you so much. Foxy Plays asks, I needed to ask a game dev question to you. How would you suggest to earn some money while learning game design, game development, like 1 to 2 years of experience? So Foxy Plays try to do either an internship, a paid internship, or a fresher job, or you could also kind of look at getting contract work from clients, etc. So you can try doing that. Unity. Okay, so guys, I have to run now because it's going to be a long day tomorrow. So okay, I will end this stream today. The next stream is going to be happening on Monday, so I'm not streaming tomorrow and day after tomorrow. I will see you guys on Monday, and if you want to stay updated with my vlogs, I'm going to post vlogs every single day. That means including tomorrow as well. So I will be covering my day tomorrow and posting the vlog as well. So Saturday and Sunday both will be there. What about FML? So Kush, about FML, we feel that the game is not quite there and it needs a lot of optimization. So that's the reason why we are pushing it a little bit further. And the game is based on the same map of Mumbai Gullies, so releasing FML would kind of spoil the entire map of Mumbai Gullies. So we are just focusing our attention on pushing Mumbai Gullies out first, and then we will just put it out as a parody game because that's what it is, right? Okay, so guys, with that in mind, I will end this stream with my outro. Foxy, please, thank you so much for kind words. Dark Demon says, you are like me, I don't watch or play horror game, only chose to horror. I got was Ratri's Khel Zale. Arey, that was scary, yaar. The Ratri's Khel Zale or Ahat or Shh Koi Hai, Shh Fir Koi Hai. Those were scary times. Scary times. अभी तो आया मैं आकाश यार no worries यार next time. Okay, guys. So, if you're interested in watching my vlogs, I'm posting vlogs on the regular. You can join my membership club. Membership starts at 159 rupees per month only. You'll get some exclusive content and access to behind the scenes of my life. All right. And with that in mind, I'm gonna start saying my outro. This game is not as scary as Kamla, I think. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I bailed out. I chucked out. I didn't have the courage to play that game. But anyway, still waiting for your gameplay for Torment. Sure, definitely. But guys, that's it for today's stream. If you like the stream, hit the like button. If you're finding my channel for the first time, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss out on my next videos. My name is Nikhil Malankar. I'm a game developer by profession, and I put out videos about games and game development on my YouTube channel. So that's it for this video. I will, and before you guys go to sleep, don't forget to brush your teeth. It's important to take care of your teeth as well as your health. With that small message, I will see you in my next video. Until then, take care, and I love you all. Mwah. Good night, guys.